In this video, we're going to show you how to install the hood lift supports on your Nissan Murano located under your hood. Now with the hood raised and supported here, we have our lift supports. There's one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Now before we disassemble this here or pull this off, you want to have one of two things: someone to hold the hood for you or something to prop the hood up while you do this job, because one of these is not enough to support the hood and you don't want it to bonk you in the head. Now we're going to go ahead and start with a pocket screwdriver here, a flathead screwdriver. And right on the top here, there's going to be a metal band and there's going to be a little notch. I'm going to go ahead and put that screwdriver in there and go ahead and work that. Now you can go in through the top here, or you can come in underneath. It really doesn't matter. But you want to pry that, get that clip, and then pull this off. Just like so. It's a simple ball and stud design. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same down below. Pop that off. Now we're going to use a rag and we want to clean the stud ends here, inspect them. If they're super rusty, you want to go ahead and clean it up. You can use some Scotch-Brite or something to sand it and clean it up a little bit, polish it. And then before we pop on the new one, we're going to put a little dab of grease on those too. Now we're going to take our new component, and the clips are already installed, so all we want to do is go ahead and line this up onto the stud and push it on. It'll pop on. You're going to feel it seat. Go ahead and give it a little tug, make sure it's locked into place. They're going to do the same up top. Now the top end here doesn't always line up, so all you want to do is grab this and you're going to rotate it to line it up. Then go ahead and grab that hood and adjust it so that lines up. Push it on. You're going to see that clip engage. You want to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.